Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, we are going to study and starting our new unit, that is your number 6, graphics in basic. In this unit, we are going to study about graphics in basic. That is about shapes, colors, background color, shape colors, and how we can use these things. This unit is important with reference to the complexity of the data that we are going to study in this unit. In this unit, we will study about different graphic scenes that can include circle, that can include p-set, that can include palette, that can include line statement, that can include um, many other things that we are going to study in this unit. Let's start our today's unit and did a introduction. Graphics in basic. Introduction. Graphics is an art to design and produce pictorial representation of information. This facility is provided in almost all versions of basic language. It is displaying information on screen. Graphics is that area of computer programming which is highly in use these days. It depends on hardware such as input, output and graphics card, color graphics adapter and video graphic array. Let us start from the beginning. Your screen is made up of hundreds of pixels. The number of pixels horizontally and vertically determines the resolution of your monitor. In GW Basic, we can be in any number of graphics mode, which defines the current graphic resolution pixels. Text resolution characters, number of colors and number of video pages. There are 13 screen graphics modes and each has its different purpose. There are several ways of drawing to the screen. Each uses things called coordinates to define what area of the screen to use. A coordinate is specific pixel, picture element. A pixel is on one dot on the screen. Your computer screen is made with 1 million little square of color pixel. You can determine any coordinate. Remember one thing, there are two coordinates x, y and z. The from left to right and right to left it is y coordinate, and from up to down and down to up it is x coordinate, that you have to remember. And from left corner to right bottom corner it is called z axis, z coordinate, that is measured with the help of x and y. I will give you an example later. A coordinate can be determined by counting the number of pixels down the number of pixels to the right the pixel down to and right to have count the coordinate. Basic provide three modes of displaying data. Text mode that we have already studied, that we had the black screen on which we had did the previous coding, that is called text mode. Medium resolution mode, high resolution graphics mode. Text mode is used for only textual data. In text-based graphics, text and lines can be drawn on the screen. The whole screen is divided into 80 columns and 25 rows. 80 columns up and downs and rows are in from left to right. 25 rows. It has 16 colors out of any two colors palette. Table 6.1 that is coming ahead. Columns are counted from 0 to 39 or 79 and rows are from 0 to 24. In medium resolution graphic mode is used in drawing graphics. The display screen is divided into a matrix consisting of 320 columns, 200 rows of pixels. Thus, the position of each and every pixel will be determined by coordinates of x-axis and y-axis of the screen. This graphical mode works with 4 colors. The different of 4 colors are 0, 1, 2 and 3. One of 16 colors can be chosen for background and one for forehead. Each of the foreground and background palettes is given in table 6.1. Coming ahead, high resolution graphic mode is used in drawing graphics with matrix of 640 multiplied 200 pixels. We can able to display the text character in 25 lines of 80 characters in each line. Let's first go to the table so that you can understand. This is the table. Mm, Attribute for modes, color display. Color, black, these are the colors name. Here are the number. Here are the attribute modes that you can use. Color attribute for screen except screen 10. Okay, so this is a table, you can understand it. So I think that today is enough that we just study the introduction. In next lecture we will study about the screen statement and what is the purpose of screen statement, how we can use this screen statement, and try to understand this table. Remember one thing, that in graphical mode you can do multiple, you can draw multiple shapes. That can be a circle, that can be a line, that can be a rectangle. How we can draw these, we are going to study in this unit. This unit is also again very important, so remember that you do not miss any topic. Do study and try to practice by yourself. You're not able to do that, let me know, I will guide you. If you have any issue or query, let me know, I will guide you in the group, or you can leave a comment in the group, I will guide you there. I will catch you in next lecture. Till that lecture, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.